Okay, I'm going to turn these two Yagis, and then we're going to go outside and take a look at them. Here's one, and here's two. Watch, they'll start spinning. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, here's the antenna spinning. The one here in the front, and we one in the back there. Now we're turning well, and very high winds here. You can see the trees are blowing. I'll zoom back out again, and there they go. They're turning right in the wind. Look at that. Is that amazing? The one in the back is coming around too. And the sun just glitters right off of it. Isn't that fantastic? That's how we turn the Yagis. That's what they're called, antennas for ham radio.